This is my final lesson on the Tagalog ENCLITIC particles. Tara! Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. This is my last video on a very long series on Tagalog ENCLITIC particles. Today, I will put together what we have learned and how you can easily use them in improving your Tagalog speaking skills. In this video, we're diving into something that will really make you sound like a natural speaker. Common Tagalog expressions that use enclitic particles. If you have seen my videos on the Tagalog enclitic particles like na, pa, nga, naman, pala, raw, and so on, you'd know that on their own, they're simple. But when you attach them to everyday expressions, they add color, attitude, and nuance. Today, I'll walk you through some very common expressions, what they mean, and how they're used in real conversation. So, tara, simulan na natin. But before we do that, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Okay? Ano na? Hindi pa ba tayo aalis? So what now? Aren't we leaving yet? Teka muna, traffic pa. Wait a sec, there's still traffic. Na naman? Hindi nga. Again? Really? Oo nga, sweldo kaya ngayon. Yes, it is so. It's payday today. Don't you remember? Ay, oo nga pala. Kaya pala ang daming tao sa labas. Oh yes, I didn't realize. That's why there's so many people outside. Kaya nga, true. Pwede pa naman tayong humabol sa MRT. We can still catch the MRT. Maraming pa raw tao sa istasyon. I heard that there's still a lot of people at the station. Ano kaya kung magkape na lang tayo muna? What if we just have coffee in the meantime? Pwede naman, basta libre mo. It's possible as long it's your treat. Sige na nga, libre ko na. Alright, fine, it's my treat. Ayos ba? Now, let's get it on with our topic for today. But a word of caution. As you may have discovered in all of my videos on enclitic particles, you'd know that each particle has their own quirks. What is common among them is that they are dependent on context and are not easily translated. Their forms do not change whether used in the past, present, or in the future. Combining them to form expressions is even more mind-blowing. So, suspend your belief in grammatical rules and take this ride with me. Here are my list of common Tagalog expressions with enclitic particles. I'll start with this one. I call this group the na group. Here goes. Ano na? Literally, what now? But really, it means, so what's up? Or what's happening? It's casual, often used when you're waiting for someone to decide or to act. Ano na nga? What is it again? What was it again? Sige na. This is a coaxing expression to get another person to agree with you. It's like saying, come on, please. One can reply with, sige na nga. All right, fine. This is how you reluctantly agree with sige na. Tama na. That's enough. You'd say this if someone is already going too far or if you're full from eating. Tama na muna. That's enough for now. Adding muna makes tama na softer. It doesn't close the door completely, it just pauses the action. Huwag na. Literally, don't anymore. It is used to decline politely. It's like saying, it's okay, don't bother. Ayos ba? Now, let's take a look at the next group, the nga group. Hindi nga, really, or no way. Use this when you're surprised. The response is, oo nga. This could mean, yes indeed, or yeah, that's true. Oo nga pala. Oh right, I forgot. Oh yeah, I remember. Or, oh yes, I just realized. Adding pala completely changes the meaning. Use this when you suddenly realize or remember something. Hindi nga. You don't say, no way. Hindi nga pala. Yeah, it's indeed not. I just realized. Sabi ko nga. That's what I said. Or, like what I said. Sabi ko na nga eh. I thought so. The e at the end is an interjection. It doesn't mean anything, but it completes the sentence. You'd hear this a lot. Siya nga. It's true. Strange, no? Siya is the pronoun he or she. But in this case, it functions as the neuter it. Cool? Up next is what I call the naman group. Here goes. Oo naman. Yes, of course. Hindi naman. Not really. Ikaw naman kaya. Why don't you do it? Why don't you try? Iyon naman pala eh. So that's it. Or, I'm getting what you're saying. Use this expression when you realize what's really going on. Ako na naman. Oh, it's me again. This is an expression of exasperation. Maybe you're the one always asked to do something. Na naman? Again? Contextually can mean, it's me again. Why does it keep happening to me? Ito lang naman ang sa akin. Literally, this is the only thing that's mine. This is a polite way to share your opinion, like saying, well, this is just my take, or this is my humble opinion. It softens the delivery. Ano ba naman? Oh, come on. Or, seriously? It's very self-explanatory. If you're enjoying this video so far, you can support this channel by hitting the like button. That will help in making this channel grow. Ayos? Lastly, here's my hodgepodge group of random expressions. Teka lang. Wait a minute. Teka muna also means wait a minute, but a bit more emphatic. Teka lang muna. Hold on just a minute. This is the most emphatic. Pwede pa. Depending on the context, this can mean still possible, or still can work, or still acceptable. Got it? Pwede naman. It's still okay. This is a more reassuring version of pwede na. Pwede pa rin. This one is the most reassuring. Still possible. Still allowed, even now. Kaya pala. So that's why. Kaya naman pala. So that's exactly why. Naman adds emphasis. Ano raw? What did he or she say? Or what was said? Use this when you miss what someone said. Ano kaya? I wonder what? What do you suppose? What if? This is an expression when someone is thinking out loud. Got it? So there you have it, a collection of everyday expressions that use the Tagalog enclitic particles. Notice that these little words, na, pa, nga, naman, pala, etc., don't just add grammar. They add attitude, emotion, and nuance. If you practice these Tagalog expressions, you'll start to sound more natural and expressive, just like a native speaker. Try listening for them in conversations, repeat them out loud, and most importantly, don't be afraid to use them yourselves. And if you have completed my entire series on the Tagalog enclitic particles, then congratulations and thank you very much. I will see you in my next video as we continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.